Well, for 2 decades, the drug court system has changed lives and restored families in the community by allowing substance abuse victims to plead guilty to the majority of crimes committed. Once accepted in the program, the offenders are indebted to a very intensive process. Once a person is convicted of a drug crime in Indiana, there are at best 2 choices: go to jail or enter the drug court system, which can take up to 2 years, but can result in the drug charges being reduced or dropped if the offender completes the course. It's a difficult path and one some opt not to take. Vigo County Drug Court Coordinator Paul Southwick says the intense intervention is necessary to break the cycle.
What we try to focus on is recovery from addiction, and a huge part of recovery is responsibility. But in the process, hopefully lives are restored. They get back on track in life, or for some individuals, they get on track, period.
In Monroe County, 44% of those who are eligible for the program opt for jail instead, and Monroe County officials say twice as many people who opt out of the program eventually get in trouble with the law again as those who graduate from it. Monroe Circuit Court Judge Mary Ellen Dekoff says drug courts and the judges who oversee them may also suffer from a perception they don't deserve.
Because in traditional court there is that barrier. I sit elevated in a black robe. Obviously, I don't stand that close to anybody in a courtroom, but those barriers come down in drug court, and I really do think that that's a huge part of the success of drug court.
Join us for part 2 of this feature with a more in-depth look of the Monroe County drug court system. Find out about 2 recent graduates of the program as well as a current participant.